We are going to discuss how to find Laplace transforms to some elementary functions. Our first question, find Laplace transform to this function. It consists elementary functions like polynomial function, an exponential function and trigonometric functions. Consider the Laplace transform of 3t power 4 minus 2t cube plus 4 e power minus 3t minus 2 sine 5t plus 3 cosine 2t. According to linearity property, it can be expressed as 3 is constant outside of this Laplace transform. Laplace transform of t power 4 minus 2 times of Laplace transform of t cube plus 4 times of Laplace transform of e power minus 3t minus 2 times of Laplace transform of sine 5t plus 3 times of Laplace transform of cosine 2t. So generally we have the functions t power 4 t cube. We know that Laplace transform of t power n, when n is integer, we have the formula n factorial by s power n plus 1. Later 3 times of Laplace transform of t power 4 became 4 factorial by s power 5 according to this formula, minus 2 times of Laplace transform of t cube became 3 factorial by s power 4 according to it. Later we have Laplace transform of e power at. Laplace transform of e power at is 1 by s minus a. So instead of a we have minus 3, it became 1 by s plus 3, that is plus 4 times of 1 by s plus 3. Later it is a Laplace transform of sine 5t, that is we know Laplace transform of sine at is a by s square plus a square. According to this formula, it became minus 2 times of 5 by s square plus 5 square, where a is 5 here, plus 3 times of Laplace transform of cosine at is s by s square plus a square. Instead of a we have 2 here, so it became plus 3 times of s by s square plus 2 square. Hence it is the required Laplace transform to this function. Coming to next question, find the Laplace transform of 4t square plus sine 3t plus e power 2t. Solution to the problem. First we consider Laplace transform of 4t square plus sine 3t plus e power 2t. According to linearity property, it became 4 times of Laplace transform of t square plus Laplace transform of sine 3t plus Laplace transform of e power 2t. So here we have t square sine 3t e power 2t. These are three different elementary functions. We know that Laplace transform of t power n, when n is positive integer, n factorial by s power n plus 1. Later Laplace transform of sine at, it is a by s square plus a square. Laplace transform of e power at 1 by s minus a. Use these formulae to get Laplace transform to this function. So 4 is constant. Laplace transform of t square became 2 factorial by s power 2 plus 1, that is 2 by s cube, plus Laplace transform of sine at a by s square plus a square. Instead of a we have 3, so whose result 3 by s square plus 3 square, that is 3 by s square plus 9, plus Laplace transform of e power at 1 by s minus a, it became 1 by s minus 2 since a is 2 here. 4 times of 2 became 8 by sa cube plus rest of the 2 terms unchanged we have taken as it is, hence it is the required Laplace transform to this function. Next question. Find the Laplace transform to the function cosine square 2t. So we cannot apply Laplace transform to this function since directly it is in the form of cosine 2t into cosine 2t. Now cosine square 2t can be treated as f of t. Now it can be expressed in terms of multiple angles. It would be 1 plus cosine 4t by 2. Now we can apply Laplace transform to this function. Laplace transform of f of t, that equals to Laplace transform of this thing. 1 by 2 is constant outside of the Laplace transform. Laplace transform of 1 plus Laplace transform of cosine 4t. We know that Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Laplace transform of cosine at s by s square plus a square. Use these formulae to get Laplace transform of this function. 1 by 2 constant, Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. It is 1 by s plus Laplace transform of cosine 4t. Here a is 4, that is why s by s square plus 4 square. Simplify this expression. 1 by 2 LCM is s times of s square plus 16. It is only denominator term. Now we can see the numerator expression. So s square plus 16 plus s into s square. Now s square plus s square 2s square plus 16. In the numerator we have one of the common factor 2 among these two resultant terms. Now 2 cancelled. In the numerator we have only s square plus 8 by s into s square plus 16. Here s square 2s square plus 16. 2 is common factor and cancel 2 you get s square plus 8 as numerator and denominator is unchanged, that is s times of s square plus 16. Hence it is the required Laplace transform to this function cosine square 2t. So here one of the key point regarding this Laplace transform of the function, we cannot apply Laplace transform directly, just you can express this function in terms of multiple angles. Our next question. Apply the concept of Laplace transform to find Laplace transform of sine 2t into sine 3t. So it is a function in terms of variability, but this function is product of two functions sine 2t and sine 3t. We cannot get generating function to this function by applying Laplace transform. So for this, first let it be f of t. F of t is sine 3t sine 2t. So it is in the product. Now it can be expressed as, we know that 2 sin a sin b is cosine of a minus b minus cosine of a plus b. According to this formula we can express this function as multiply with 2 and divide with 2. 1 by 2 2 sin 3t sin 2t. According to it, cosine of a is 3t minus b is 2t minus cosine a is 3t, b is 2t. Now 1 by 2 constant, cosine 3t minus 2t cosine t minus cosine of 3t plus 2t cosine 5t. So it is a function in terms of t. It is valid for the existence of Laplace transform. apply Laplace transform to this function. Laplace transform of f of t is, according to linearity property, 1 by 2 constant Laplace transform of cosine t minus Laplace transform of cosine 5t. So generally, to get the generating function, we have the formula, that is Laplace transform of cosine at is s by s square plus a square, but here both functions related to cosine function. Here a is 1, in the second term you have a 5. Now it became 1 by 2 constant Laplace transform of cosine 1t. So a is replaced with 1 here, s by s square plus 1 square minus Laplace transform of cosine 5t, s by s square plus 5 square. So that is the result.